This is question 19 from class activity 11C sapling, and the student who asked this was having a hard time. And so one of the key things is here, this is actually a cyclization. You're making a ring when you do this reaction, and one of the things I find students have a hard time with is they understand the chemistry, but suddenly when you put it in a ring, it all becomes very foreign. And so the key thing here is to follow what the arrows are telling you. Now I've numbered the carbons here to make it a little bit easier to see. And what this arrow is saying that I'm tracing here is this pair of electrons that is a lone pair on the oxygen is forming a bond to carbon 2. And the bond between carbon 2 and the oxygen is breaking and forming a lone pair of electrons on that oxygen. So that's going to give us a 6-membered ring where oxygen is part of the ring and there's still a hydrogen bonded to that oxygen. And let me number the carbons. So there's your product. And let's see, on this is 7, there's a lone pair of electrons here, so there is a positive formal charge on that oxygen. And we broke this bond right here, and this pair of electrons came out and formed one of the lone pairs that's on this oxygen. And we didn't break the bond between 2 and 1, so you can see it's right there. So that is the answer to that question.